In this video, I'll show you how to utilize the AIT blocks login form and also the registration form. If we go ahead and add our login form to the canvas, pretty straightforward. We've got our username/email address and then our password field. And then if we look to the right, we can go ahead and control what fields we want to actually display, right? So we can hide the title if we want, the label, and we can also customize the placeholder as well. We can send them to a custom registration page. So if you've got a separate registration page elsewhere on your website, you can go ahead and do that. The same for the password link as well. We can go ahead and enable Google reCAPTCHA, and then we can just add some additional class for more advanced styling. When we go to styles, we can go ahead and customize the form styling, so the title, form fields, and so on, right? Our button, maybe our color theme is, here we go, for the background. All right, I'm happy with that. So this is our login field, and we can go ahead and customize this as well. All right, so this gives us more control, and it looks a lot more professional than the default WordPress login page. We can go ahead and add our registration form onto our page. It depends on what type of site you're running, but maybe you want to add these on separate pages. Go ahead and customize this, and it's pretty similar to the login page. We have to choose what fields we want to go ahead and add. So if we click on this, and let's click on the parent category. Right from here, again, we get to choose if we want to display the title. What's unique with this registration field is whenever someone fills in this form, we can go ahead and choose what user role we want to assign to them. So this is super powerful in numerous different ways. So for example, let's say you're running a retail store, right? And maybe you want regular customers to sign up to your website. Then maybe you want to assign them the subscriber role. And then maybe you've got trade customers. And in that case, you might have a different role for that trade customer. In that event, we can just go ahead and assign them the appropriate role, right? So it's super powerful in that regards, meaning we can just create separate pages for different customer type. We get to choose what happens after our users register to our site. So we can automatically log them in. We can send them an email, or we can redirect them to a particular page where maybe we've got more onboarding information. Again, we can enable Google reCAPTCHA, and just like login page, we can go ahead and customize the styling as well. Once you're happy with everything, just hit publish, and we'll just quickly test this out just to make sure it's working as expected. Since we're already logged in, this will display blank because we're already logged in. I think we'll give you the option to add a default message here, right? Just in the event that someone's logged into your website and they actually go to the login page. Maybe we want to show them a simple message like navigate to my account page or whatever. But we'll create that option so you can go ahead and handle what happens when someone's already logged in. But let's go ahead and test this out as a logged out user. So I'm going to copy this URL. Our users can go ahead and log in. And in the event that they don't have an account with us, they can also go ahead and register. On this login form, we've also enabled this registration form. Currently, it's set to the default WordPress registration page. Again, we can customize this. So as I said, we can create a separate registration page and just embed our registration form, which looks a lot better than this, right? It's more professional as well, in my opinion. Again, users can register or they can go ahead and log in. So now we've logged in and it's redirected us to the homepage. Again, we can choose where we want to send our users after they've logged in. And this is all achieved using the AIT Blocks Pro plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below. Like and subscribe for more videos like this.